Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to hide and unhide a folder. So there is this folder, my documents. I want to hide this folder. So I right click on it, right click, and this opens this. And then I go to properties at the end and check the hidden option. Press OK. They're asking me two things. Apply changes to this folder only. So there's things in my folder, so I want to apply changes only to this folder. Like I want to hide this folder or hide the things which are in this folder too. I'm gonna do hide this folder only and press OK. Then this folder is gone. How to access your folder is easy. You just click on My Documents, and there it is, your folder, your edits. But if you did the other option, this won't be visible. You couldn't see these. And even if you press the place, it wouldn't happen. It wouldn't be. To do that, you can do the hidden items. And now, if you selected the second thing, which I didn't select, these would appear, and this would appear. But I selected the other thing, so only this appeared because I didn't make my things in the folder disappear. So if I want it to permanently appear, like I don't want to make it invisible anymore, I press properties again and just check the hidden option. Okay, I change this folder only. Okay. And if I still hidden items view or not view, nothing's gonna happen because I already did it permanently. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.